say that it feels right.
Hi guys, welcome back to Casual Gamer. So today we're doing a bit more of a weight reduction on the car for the race, January 28th, 2018, which is in like 2 weeks for me. I'll be towing stage 1 probably next week. I don't know yet. But I'll be towing stage 1 2 days before the race, which is not actually that smart, because if something happens. But yeah, my car is dead. Yeah, I do need a new battery because it keeps on dying. So we're gonna start it down this hill here. Put it in first gear. Oh my gosh, forgot how hard this was. No power steering life. Oh yeah, we're moving. And when we get to the bottom of the hill, just drop the clutch. Here we go. More, we need more speed. There we go. We're on. Alright, we're good. I have a quick question. Why does it smoke that bad? I don't know if you can tell me down in the comments, but right now the temperature outside is 50. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt and it's not even cold. So why is it even smoking that bad? And I just turned it on, it was smoking pretty dang bad. Like, it was like white smoke. Our car doesn't seem to burn oil, so I don't know why it's doing that, but you know, I just put it in the comments and I'll respond, and yeah. So let's get this thing a bit more stripped down. We already have the passenger seat out. We have everything out, just down for the carpet, and I think that'll be it, just the carpet. So as a lot of you guys know, my door, this one does not open from the inside or outside. So I ran into an issue on taking out the carpet right all across this. So I'm just gonna use this and just chop it right there, to be honest, because I really don't care, to be honest. So and I might remove this door panel if I can see if I can open a door. Probably a latch is hooked up or something, but the other one opens fine, so that one's fine. The nice thing is that I would have took out this seat. Got so much space in here, but let's get going.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the...
Well, we got all this. We're going to be weighing this at the end. Got all that carpet. So I was reading on the Volkswagen or the VW forums that this stuff, in the front, there's at least 100 pounds of just junk. So I'm gonna see if there's a lot of padding. So you know, I'll be removing all this padding and some wirings that I don't need. So let's get that.
The other side, my love.
Man, I am not. This thing is heavy. This thing right here is a good 5 pounds. Just this, and then the other one That's pretty dang heavy. So someone tried to jack it up from here, from the bottom part. I could tell, you know. But I do want to remove all this insulation. But a way they say to remove this is with dry ice. So they say you put dry ice and then you bang it out and then it comes out. Yeah, I had an issue with that, with all the cutting, but now it looks like we gotta do the other side too. I don't want to do the other side that much though. I might just take out the insulation and leave the carpet just there. That's what I might do. So let's get that. For whatever you're saying, I'm just taking this out and I'm destroying my car. Look at this carpet, man. Some of the stuff has mold on it. This is just disgusting, bro. And then coming around, that's straight up mold right there. That's straight up mold over there. Mold. Yeah, all that. What's all this, bro? Like, ew. That's why I'm taking out this carpet. Disgusting. You
say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never.
I don't know what the heck, but this stuff stinks. Smells so bad. What in the world is all this? This is nasty. This stinks so bad too. I'm taking all this out, bro. None of it's staying in. This stuff is wet. I don't even know what the heck is all this junk. Alright, well, I've been out here for around 30 minutes just chiseling this out. Is there another way for this to get, just chiseling it out is just taking too long and I'm just tired of it now. My hands hurt. But this is how much I got done. I got all this part here and just the center part there where it was wet and disgusting. I'm just gonna clean it up, wipe all that down. That's like a good pound or 2 pounds of nastiness. But alright, let's get that and let's weigh in the carpet. And yeah, I do want to see how much each seat weighs though. But yeah, alright guys, this is probably as thin as it's gonna get for now. I don't care. I took off the handbrake just to clean it there because it was covered in cat hair. But that's probably as clean as I can get it right now. And I know, not very clean, but I've tried, so. Alright guys, I'm just trying to hurry up because I'm gonna head back inside. It's starting to get cold. It was like in the 50s, now it's just dropped down to the 30s. It's gonna be like in the 20s in like in an hour. So I'm just gonna clean up, get ready to go back inside. So, got everything weighted in the scale. I didn't want you guys to be watching that, but out of this junk here we have 23 pounds plus all the armrests and screws and all that, junked up to around 29 pounds of just this junk, right? And I took out a pound of with the chisel of just junk. I weighed that too. That was around a pound. So we have 30 pounds of weight reduction. I weighed the seats. The seat weighed at 54 pounds. 54 pounds. One seat. So both seat it weighs 108 pounds. That's a lot. So I did take out the seat, I didn't record it. I took it out at the beginning of the video, but you guys didn't see that. But so technically 54 pounds plus 30, that's 84 pounds? 84 pounds of weight reduction. Not bad, not bad. And I was thinking, right? I always keep this in my car for just safety, I guess, right? And, you know, well, if something happens, you don't have it there. I weigh that weighed 23 pounds. My power to weight ratio is 24 pounds. So technically this is and then I have junk in here I don't even need. Yeah, this is useful. But there I have like 5 vice grips, 5 pliers, 5 screwdrivers, a chisel, stuff I don't even need. Like, what in the world? So I'm gonna be cleaning that out. Probably might drop it down to like 15 pounds of just tools to set right back here in my seat. So just to have it back there. So technically, if I reduce those 10 pounds of that, we technically had a weight reduction of 94 pounds today. 94 pounds. 94 pounds of weight reduction today. It's not bad. Once I will be doing stage 1 next week. So stay tuned for that, stage 1. I believe stage 1 in this car is like 5 horsepower. That would be stage 1, 5 horsepower. Stage 2 would be plus 10 horsepower, and stage 3 is plus 15 horsepower. So yeah, because these cars are not turboed, so you know, which isn't, I don't care, but you know, they're not turboed. So stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3, it's just like 5-10 horsepower. But stage 3 hopefully next month. No, stage 3 hopefully by the beginning of summer. Stage 3, but stage 2 hopefully by next month. Stage 2, because stage 2 is just quick and ECU tune. Stage 3 is actually changing out the camshaft. Yeah. Stage 1 is just intake and exhaust and a small tune, and that's about it. Stage 2 is a full tune, and then stage 3 would be the camshaft, bigger camshaft, which that's kind of hard, you know, but we'll be getting that installed. 15 horsepower for that camshaft, so I should be pushing by the end of stage 3, probably around 135, 140, and this car is not bad, especially in a 2.0. But thanks for watching. Please tune for my next video. So this is the shit car now. Yeah. But thanks for watching. Please tune for the next video. And as always, guys, remember the impossible only costs a little more, guys. So thanks for watching. Please tune for the next video. And as always, guys, peace out.